We were sent these plus size wide calf compression socks for our review, and I am excited because I wear compression socks when I am traveling. Honestly, sitting in that position for a long period of time, my legs get really uncomfortable, and these help me a lot. I've never had plus size wide calf ones before, so I am really excited to try these because oftentimes they are a little bit too tight for me. So these ones come in size XL up to 4XL. I have the cute little polka dot ones, but they do come in different colors. So let's try them on and see how they fit. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow. Lots of space. So I am currently wearing a 3XL, and I tried one of each color on. I just wanted to see how they fit. As you can see, I've got tons of room here. So I probably could have even gone down a size, just depending if you want them like really, really compressed. But even with all this room, I do feel they're really comfortable. They are made from bamboo, which is great. They really feel like they are breathable. I don't feel like I'm like extremely constricted. I feel like my legs aren't going to get all like hot and sweaty. Really comfortable, and they're so cute. I'm a big fan.